The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Oracle closed at $291.33 on Thursday, down 5.5% from the previous session, as the decline followed a sharp rally over the last week, indicating profit-taking and fading momentum after recent highs. The Australian stock market index slipped below $8,750 on Friday, reversing the prior session's gains, as sentiment was hit by Donald Trump's announcement of fresh tariffs. WTI crude futures rose above $65 per barrel on Friday, hovering near a three-week high and set for its strongest weekly gain since early June, as conflict-related pressures on Russian oil spurred supply concerns. The Swiss franc pulled back towards 0.8 per USD, hitting its lowest level since early September, as it was pressured by a strengthening dollar following strong US GDP data. Bitcoin traded below $110,000 this Friday, as yesterday's decrease of 3.8% was fueled by bearish technical signals and macro pressure. Now let's take a look at today's key economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release August's core price index, following a 0.3% increase in July. Also at 12:30 p.m., personal income is expected to decline, after rising 0.4% last month. At the same time, we'll get the latest figures on personal spending for August, which previously rose 0.5% in July. Turning to Monday's highlights. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will publish pending home sales data for August, after a 0.4% drop in July. And at 2:30 p.m., the Dallas Manufacturing Index is projected to fall, following a reading of -1.8 in August.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.